You think you're clearing your ears, but that drops you just put in, it's quietly trapping bacteria against your eardrum right now. Stop doing it immediately. Here is why. Millions of people wake up with a blocked, muffled feeling, so they reach for olive oil or those expensive wax drops. They squeeze the liquid in and wait, but they are making a massive mistake that destroys hearing. Have you noticed your hearing gets worse for a day or two after using these drops? Maybe you hear a faint ringing, or it feels like you are underwater. You assume it is just the liquid draining. It isn't. That underwater sensation is the sound of your earwax expanding, absorbing the oil like a dry sponge, and cementing itself directly to your delicate eardrum. We are told oils soften wax, but human earwax is mostly dead skin cells and cholesterol. When you flood that with heavy oil, it creates a sticky sludge. Your ear has a natural conveyor belt to push dry wax out. Oil breaks the belt. The sludge gets trapped, rots, and invites severe fungal infections. This is what I call the toxic oil trigger. Once that sludge oxidizes, it hardens like concrete. As an audiologist, I see the aftermath every single week. Patients come in complaining of sudden hearing loss or a severe spike in tinnitus. When I look inside with an otoscope, I don't see normal wax. I see a dark, petrified wall blocking the eardrum, smelling faintly of rancid oil. It muffles high frequencies first, meaning you can hear people talking, but you cannot understand the words they are saying. The very thing you use to clean your ear is suffocating it. So what is the alternative? Stop putting food products in your ears. Your ears are self-cleaning ovens. If you truly have an impaction, oil is not the rescue. You need an osmotic gradient. A simple saline solution, completely devoid of heavy oils, can safely flush debris without turning it into a toxic sludge. It dissolves the bond between the wax and the skin rather than just melting it. If you feel blocked today, do nothing. Keep your ears perfectly dry for 48 hours. Let the natural keratin dry out. If the blockage remains, seek microsuction from a professional. Never let someone blast water blindly into your ear canal, and throw away those commercial oil drops immediately. Protect the delicate machinery inside your head, because once it breaks, it is incredibly hard to fix. But oil isn't the only household item destroying your hearing. There is a common vitamin supplement that actually accelerates age-related hearing loss by 30%. I break exactly what it is and why you should avoid it in this video right here, linked before the comment section.